So as per yesterday, we are in the pre-processing phase, right? Here in the pre-processing phase, here it will create the shadow. Here it will create the shadow systems and shadow instance. So RFC login to the NR32. 32 is the shadow instance number. So let me try to log in here for the shadow. So we have, see here, one more instance is created here. One more instances are created here. You can see here, the instances are created here. So shadow is created here. You can see. Let me try to restart all the instances here. So shadow created in the pre-processing phase. What we discussed in yesterday, shadow created. This is the shadow system. 30, 31 is for the main instance numbers. 32 is for the shadow. So shadow created. Then shadow is getting upgraded. While shadow is while shadow is getting upgraded, you see the system is not available, shadow system. So that is the reason 32. That is the reason it's got down. It's down status now. In the shadow, all the message server, NQ server, so dispatcher, everything will be in the one instance only in the shadow. All the work process, everything. But in the real host, you see, for the ASCS message server is in the one host, then application server is in the one host here, right? One host here, one instance, separate instance is created. But in the shadow, everything will be in the only one host. Everything is in the one host only. So, but it got stopped now. It got stopped status now. So let's see what happened here. I stopped it here. Maybe let me restart this one also. Okay, it is starting now. Same message server ASCS and all the instances are in the same place here. See here. So here work process also getting started here. See here 13 work process, 13 process we have given. So batch process, spool, all are created here. See here, all are created here. So all are getting started here. All are getting started here in the instance here. This is the one. So shadow is starting now. Shadow is up now. So you can see shadow is getting started here. See, shadow is completely up here. Now just try to click on the next button. See here, it will take to the next step here. See here, the deletion of the transport upgrade only. So it is doing that one, right? So it is doing that one now. We are in the pre-processing, which means still in the uptime phase only. We are in the still in the uptime phase here. Just click on the repeat button. So here, what is happening here? So aborted. Something is aborted here. Something is wrong here. So we need to check the log files here. So what's happening in the system here? There is RFC succeed, but the job got failed here. So SM37, check the SM37. Why this batch job is failed here, right? Why this batch job is getting failed here? So log into the now. How to log in now? How to log into the systems now? Why? Because we need to log into the shadow now. Shadow system. So in this case, you need to change the instance number to the 32 here. 32, right? Log into the 32 instance number, right? So here in the shadow, only 000 client is available here. Go to the DDIC here. Maybe now shadow, I logged into the shadow system now, right? Shadow system now. Why? Because it's a shadow, not the main system here. our main system instance number is the different. It's like 30. So we logged into the shadow system now. So if you see here in the shadow system verification, same as like its original system only. Shadow system, shadow ECD is like same as like your original system. Same as like here, your original system only this one. So let's see here. It's a shadow. That's why reason all the programs, new programs in the shadow system here. So that is the reason. So it will take time to compile all the new programs and everything here. Go to SM37. The job is getting failed here. Job is getting failed here. So that we need to check it out. Why the job is getting failed here? That we have to check it out here. SM37. Click on the execute button and see. So why the job is getting failed here? See here. This job is getting failed here. So go to the job log and see. There is a runtime error. There is a runtime error here. Runtime error occurred in ST22. So then if you go to the runtime error, so what is this? For non-existence external routine. So what is this? Note which you performed entries. So there is a error in the kernel. There is a error in the application program. There is a program, it got error here. Statement could not be executed here. So let's see more details here. Illegal form, raise exceptions. So something got changed in middle. So when the program is executing, so something got changed here. What is this here? Form must be prevented. What I can do here, instead of doing that one, initialize the phase from the starting here, so that it will restart from the beginning of the job here. Why? Because in the middle, it got failed. It got failed in the middle, even though it got failed here. So delete transport SP and check the logs, more logs here. This is the job logs here. So this is specify runtime error occurred in the system. Transaction called as terminated because caused by the application detected the SMTP, which make no sense to proceed the transaction. Actual reason termination are integrated by the parameters. So there is a one program error got occurred. So that we need to check it out. So what we have to do here? Freight transports. I think we got similar error. Great finished error. I think we got similar error here. Let's check what is the solution here. SAP already released the solution for this one. Let's see. I'm not sure. So what changes have been done yesterday? Anyone done something or not? But let's try to fix that error. Resolution. Repeat the latest versions. Then repeat the phase. They say that defect in the R3 trans. This is the old version. This is the old version. They are saying that some issues with the R3 trans and everything here. So, but go to the ST22 here. Check the dumps here. User DDIC 300 client. Okay. Above foreground, main foreground. The source code termination 130, line number 137 was restarted, was started as a background. Okay. So termination due to the exception, illegal form occurring during the procedures and locally raised class signature 117. So line number 137, line number 137, we have some issues in the code 137. Yes, DB tab name here. Perform the DB changing the DB tab here. Here in this line 137, we had some issues here. So don't know what changes are happened in the system. Because normally we won't face any issues. If you do normally here, if someone did something wrongly, we may face it here. This profile, any changes are happened in the profile? No. So 9.5 is the last profile changes that happened in the systems. Okay. Let me copy the entire error message. So because this is a standard program, so definitely there must be a some notes from the SAP or something we will make get it out here. So let me check here. Short dump, raise exceptions. Not, let me check. Just checking the transport requests here. In order to create a BOP del transfer negative. Deletion trans SP were negative here. So what does it mean here? Negative. Anyone done any changes in the system? Like while doing these changes, you should not do any changes here while upgrade is running. Upgrade tools. XPRA completed successfully.